Hi everyone, today I am going to tell you the best travel photography accessories, so let's start this video. Our first accessory is greatest backpack, Mackinnon Camera Bundle 35L. If you are a traveling photographer, you have probably heard about the brand new Nomatic Camera Bundle, a labor love between the traveling bag firm and photographer Peter Mackinnon. More than the appearances, we think that the bag size is precisely what creates its presence more known. Watch the match photographs under, and the very first thing you will see is how this tote is that the size of a medium-built chest instead of the style itself. Our second accessory is greatest tripod, Peak Design Carbon Fiber Travel Tripod. You will find more economical traveling tripods than that and taller ones. Also, but nothing that provides this functionality, this layout cleverness, and folds down to such a tidy, compact, and portable package. However, Peak Design specializes in advanced design, as seen in its brilliant camera bags, camera, and strap clips, so it is no surprise to obtain the organization's brand new Journey tripod is unlike any other. Our third accessory is best backup option, Narbox 2.0 SSD. The Narbox 2.0 is the portable, ruggedized hard disk we all did not know we wanted. But, after spending a while with the apparatus backing up photographs, formatting SD cards at the while, shooting a few more, and performing some somewhat unscientific strength testing, we came out quite impressed. The Narbox 2.0 includes a detachable battery on the trunk, which struck us a little odd to get a hard disk until we heard more about the new believers there. Our fourth accessory is best mobile LED light, Lume Cube Panel Move. The Lume Cube Panel is a powerful LED light, and while it is not as little as the newest Lume Cube Panel Mini, it is still quite pocketable. The rear LCD is a helpful advantage that will help prevent nasty surprises, and the whole unit feels sturdy and well constructed. In addition, it doubles as a power lender, and although this can be unlikely to produce your dedicated juice boxes obsolete, the very fact you can utilize its 5 volts output in a crisis only adds to the tiny light's performance and appeal. Our fifth accessory is greatest cleaning kit, Zeiss Lens Cleaning Kit. Zeiss supplies a variety of specialist cleaning products that perfectly match your distinctive product expertise. Our experts have developed these goods to satisfy the precise needs of high-quality optical surfaces. They are appropriate not just for camera lenses, filters, and picture lenses but also for binoculars and LCD screens like those in your notebook or smartphone. Both dry and wet cleaning tools are supplied. For blowing the dust off an optical surface, the Atmosphere Blaster may be utilized. In contrast, the retractable lipstick-style cleaning brush may dislodge more stubborn dirt or dust particles. Our sixth accessory is greatest power bank, Anker PowerCore Plus 26800. Anker specializes in all kinds of charging electronic equipment such as wall chargers, car chargers, and possibly the part they do certainly the best would need to be mobile chargers. Anker's portable chargers are a few of the best for the build quality and the charging technology they provide. Additionally, the capacity is ideal for charging tablet computers, instrument. A tablet like the iPad Air 2 includes a battery capacity of 7340 mAh, which may be built to its full power 2 times for this PowerCore Plus 26800. Our seventh accessory is greatest gimbal, Ronin SE. Should you use a mild mirrorless camera and need a compact yet affordable motorized gimbal that is easy to transport and has plenty of features for not a great deal of cash, the DJI Ronin SE is a superb purchase. The Ronin SE gimbal includes pan, tilt, and roll control, as well as 360-degree panning to make 360-degree motion shots. There are configurations for time-lapse and motion-lapse. Also, our eighth accessory is most excellent camera strap, Peak Design Leash. The leash is a simplified and minimum camera strap in comparison to the favorite Peak Design slide straps. You won't locate the rapid pull adjusters on the leash, however, it is still quite capable of holding your camera. Made of identical smooth and closely woven nylon because of the larger slide versions but of a thinner structure, the leash can be adorned with stylish aluminum and Hypalon adjusters. Being relatively light and soft signifies that the Peak Design leash packs up nicely into a purse or even a pocket when not being used. Our ninth accessory is greatest drone, Mavic Air 2. The Mavic Air 2 is slightly larger than its predecessor, at least on paper. However, in training, I did not see the difference. The folding design stays streamlined, and in 1.3 pounds. The drone has been a lot mobile. The camera detector is more significant this time around also. The lens on the Air 2 remains 24mm equivalent, using an f2.8 aperture. The camera captures 12 megapixels per frame, but there is also a choice to create 48 megapixel images stitched together mechanically from multiple shots. Our last accessory is most incredible UV filter, Carl Zeiss T** UV filter. The 77mm Carl Zeiss T** UV filter from Zeiss is an overall use. This transparent filter helps absorb ultraviolet light and reduces the bluish cast of daylight. No different coloration or comparison effects are supplied, making a natural and clean look. The filter ring is made with a slim profile to permit its use on wide-angle lenses. Still, front filter threads continue to be accessible to benefit additional filters. So I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.